T-shirt. I wear a t-shirt every day. Shirt. He is wearing a blue shirt. Sweatshirt. I wear a sweatshirt when it's cold. Hoodie. My hoodie has a soft hood. Tank top. She wears a tank top in summer. Blouse. She bought a new blouse for work. Jacket. I put on my jacket before going outside. Coat. My coat keeps me warm. Suit. He wears a suit at work. Blazer. My blazer looks professional. Dress. Her dress is very beautiful. Skirt. She is wearing a long skirt. Jeans. My jeans are comfortable. Pants. He is wearing black pants. Shorts. I wear shorts in hot weather. Leggings. Leggings are stretchy and soft. Sweatpants. I wear sweatpants at home. Overalls. He wears overalls for work. Swimsuit. We wear swimsuits at the beach. Raincoat. I wear a raincoat when it rains. Winter coat. My winter coat keeps me warm in snow. Vest. He is wearing a black vest. Cardigan. Her cardigan is soft. Sweater. This sweater is very warm. Scarf. I wear a scarf in winter. Hat. I wear a hat to block the sun. Cap. He wears a cap to school. Beanie. A beanie keeps my head warm. Gloves. Gloves keep my hands warm. Mittens. Mittens are soft and warm. Belt. He uses a belt to hold his pants. Socks. My socks are new. Stockings. She wears stockings with a dress. Boots. I wear boots in the snow. Sneakers. I wear sneakers to the gym. Shoes. I wear shoes every day. Sandals. Sandals keep my feet cool. Slippers. I wear slippers at home. High heels. She wears high heels at parties. Flip-flops. Flip-flops are good for the beach. Loafers. His loafers look smart. Tie. He wears a tie to the meeting. Bow tie. He wears a bow tie at weddings. Watch. He wears a watch on his wrist. Sunglasses. I wear sunglasses outside. Wallet. My money is in my wallet. Purse. She carries her purse everywhere. Handbag. Her handbag is stylish. Backpack. I use a backpack for school. Necklace. She wears a gold necklace. Bracelet. Her bracelet is beautiful. Ring. He has a silver ring. Earrings. She wears earrings every day. Hairband. She uses a hairband to tie her hair. Hair clip. She keeps her hair neat with a clip. Capri pants. She wears capri pants in summer. Jumpsuit. Her jumpsuit looks trendy. Romper. The baby wears a romper. Uniform. Students wear a uniform to school. Kimono. She wears a kimono in a festival. Bathrobe. I wear a bathrobe after shower. Pajamas. I sleep in pajamas. Nightgown. She wears a nightgown to sleep. Undershirt. He wears an undershirt under his shirt. Underwear. He wears clean underwear every day. Bra. She bought a new bra. Trench coat. He looks cool in a trench coat. Overcoat. The overcoat keeps him warm. Rain boots. Rain boots keep my feet dry. Snow pants. Snow pants keep me warm in winter. Ski jacket. I wear a ski jacket while skiing. Tankini. She wears a tankini at the pool. Sports bra. She wears a sports bra to the gym. Gym shorts. He wears gym shorts while exercising. Football jersey. He wears his team's jersey. Crop top. She wears a crop top in summer. Turtleneck. A turtleneck keeps the neck warm. Poncho. I wear a poncho in heavy rain. Shawl. She covers her shoulders with a shawl. Sari. She wears a sari for celebrations. Hijab. She wears a hijab every day. Face mask. I wear a face mask for safety. Suspenders. Suspenders hold his pants up. Anklet. Her anklet has tiny bells. Cufflinks. He wears cufflinks with his shirt. Clutch. She holds a small clutch at parties. Duffel bag. He carries a duffel bag to the gym. Bucket hat. A bucket hat protects from the sun. Bikini. She wears a bikini at the beach. Windbreaker. A windbreaker protects from the wind. Leather jacket. His leather jacket looks cool. Graphic tee. I like t-shirts with graphics. Flannel shirt. He wears a flannel shirt in winter. Denim jacket. Her denim jacket is stylish. Formal shoes. He wears formal shoes at work. Dress shoes. His dress shoes are shiny. Wedges. She wears wedges at events.